Breathing is something we all do, except that when we're stressed, we often don't breathe the way we're supposed to. Think about it. If I'm tense and uptight and stressed, what do? I tend to hold my breath. That actually worsens the sympathetic drive that we have going on. What we want is to focus on encouraging our nervous system to move into parasympathetic, where we can be peace and at ease, rest and digest. When we have deep, mindful breathing, the nervous system is positively impacted. Deep breathing activates this parasympathetic that promotes this state of relaxation throughout the body. Deep breathing, really, 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 really beneficial and important. This can be done in a couple different ways. I'm a singer, so I learned a long time ago how to do diaphragmatic breathing. That's just a fancy way of saying, I'm going to breathe with my belly and not my chest. When we take a deep breath, if we do it without thinking about it, we tend to take a deep breath and our shoulders go up. Except that's not really getting us a deep breath. The diaphragm is the muscle that lies below the rib cage and underneath the lungs. When we are able to lower our diaphragm, our lungs are able to expand more fully. The easiest way to practice this is put your hand on your belly. You can do it sitting up in a chair. It's easier to feel and notice when you're lying flat in a bed. The idea is I'm going to push my hand out that's on my belly. I'm going to push it out with my stomach, and I'm going to concentrate on breathing down through my belly, lowering my diaphragm, which is going to expand my lungs like this. Now you can't see my hands, but my hand raised up, my belly moved outward while I was doing the diaphragmatic breathing. When I'm breathing with my diaphragm, my belly is going to expand and my hand is going to lift up or away from my body. That's one thing you can do. What I usually do is breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. I do it for like a minute or two at a time. In through the nose and out through the mouth. You can incorporate the diaphragmatic breathing with it. It's called box breathing, where you're going to breathe in through your nose to the count of 4. You're going to hold for the count of 4, and then you're going to exhale for the count of 4. Then you're going to pause and do it again. Breathe in through your nose to the count of 4. Hold and exhale. What I like to do is a couple cycles of that. What it's doing is taking your mind off of the thing that's stressing you out. It's focusing it on your breathing, and that is actually calming your nervous system. It's moving you away from sympathetic and into parasympathetic. What I often do is through my course of my day, I feel myself getting a little stressed out, and I realize, oh my gosh, I haven't been breathing. I'll just pause, take a minute, and center my thoughts and center my focus on my breathing. I'll do that box breathing and diaphragmatic breathing. You can do this anywhere you're at. I do it in the car sometimes when I'm in traffic and getting all fritzed out. I can do it here, right here at my desk. I do it all the time. And I actually work in my home, so you can do it at home too. I immediately feel myself start to center, and I feel myself starting to calm down. I'm less anxious, and I really feel this sense of peace that comes over me. There's lots of studies that have shown the power of deep abdominal breathing or deep diaphragmatic breathing. It increases oxygen flow, increases ATP production, and stimulates parasympathetic. It stimulates the vagus nerve, which helps to regulate between sympathetic and parasympathetic. This all leads to overall better health for those with fibromyalgia and chronic fatigue. It improves pain, it improves sleep, it improves fatigue because we're getting more oxygen to our brain. I encourage you to practice these every day. Take a couple moments in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening, and practice your diaphragmatic breathing. Practice your box breathing. I hope this has encouraged you today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, or follow me. I will see you in another video